Welcome to Sparklebox! Are you bored this summer? Want to try something new? Then visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and engaging educational kits. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting educational kits for yourself. In today's DIY, on the occasion of Buddha Purnima, I'm gonna show you a simple art of Buddha. Just need 5 materials to make this art, and they are A4 sheets, sketch pens, eraser, oil pastel colors and pencil. Let's take an A4 sheet and fold it in half. Now let's take a pencil and draw the sketch of Lord Buddha. Highlight the outline of the sketch with a black sketch pen. Purnima, I am writing Happy Buddha Purnima on the top of my sketch. Is ready. You can share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Sparklebox for more of such amazing DIYs.